Strong winds and heavy rains have hit Spain and Italy, causing widespread flooding and devastation. Spain's Mediterranean coastline was hit Sunday by violent winds and heavy rain, which caused several minor injuries and substantial material damage and disrupted several flights. Gusts of up to 120 km per hour, downpours and sometimes hail hit the Balearic Islands and the regions of Catalonia and Valencia, all three of which were partially placed under orange alert, high risk, on Sunday by the National Meteorological Agency. The weather is part of a violent storm that broke out on Sunday morning, blowing down numerous trees, causing flash flooding and damaging a bullring in the town of Felanitx. The thunderstorms left motorists having to navigate treacherous conditions. The wind also broke the moorings of a 330-meter tourist cruise ship moored in Palma, on the island of Mallorca, displacing it until it collided with a moored oil tanker.